If I needed to choose only one dessert for my cheating day, that would be definitely donut. Let's make it. This recipe is for the one who doesn't have stand mixer, but yet they want to have a perfect donut.
1 egg, 1 egg yolk, 35 gram sugars, 170 milliliters of milk, 3 gram yeast, and 250 gram of flour, plus 2 gram salt. Mix, add the eggs, mix, and time to use your hands. The dough is super sticky at this moment, but don't freak out. Add 3 tablespoons of butter, and as you can see, when you mix it a little bit, it doesn't stick to your hands anymore. But since it's a bit sticky yet, we let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Of course, with the cover.
Next time you had a super sticky dough, please do not freak. Let it rest for 15 minutes and you are good to go.
Alright, as you can see, it doesn't stick to your hands at all. Now, time to use a stretch and fold method a bit and bring the dough together. In order to have a light donut, you don't need to knead it that much. Only bring it together, round it up, and cover it and let it rest for at least 1 hour.
To me, a perfect donut should be super fluffy and super light.
After 1 hour, bring it to the slightly flour bench. You can roll it with roller or with your hands. If you have one of these bad boys, feel free to use it. If you don't have, you can use a cup or anything you have in your kitchen. And leftover dough, you can always bring it together and use it after 15 to 20 minutes. This is what I like to see every day on my bench. And the combination I choose to eat with my donuts is always caramel. No matter it is caramel glaze or like what I'm making today, it's only caramel sauce, which is perfect. Now time to fry up these beautiful donuts. Look at it. The oil must be extremely hot. Here you must act quick. Keep your eye on it. We don't want burn or soggy donuts. Keep the temperature up and your eyes on your beautiful donuts. You can coat into the sugar or shower with caramel sauce, which is the way I like to eat my donuts. And this is what I do to those tiny balls. Look at the texture. Fluffy, cloudy donuts. Love it. I can't explain. You need to try this recipe and subscribe my channel to see more recipes.